Alright, so Chevy Impala, lovely clicking sound. I've got one actuator bad, I believe, above the gas pedal up here in the back, which isn't fun to get to. You gotta get on your back and go up under there, under the dash, and get that out. And then you've got two of them behind the glove box, and one of those are bad too. What you can do, all right, you take the glove box out, so just pull this down. Then here in the glove box in the back, right here, there's a couple tabs. You push down on the top part of the glove box, get both those tabs down, right there, and then it'll lower it down. This is the culprit. There's two of them that are bad again. On the driver's side one, and then this one right there. And you can just put your hand on it, and you can tell that that one is bad. You'll hear it thumping. Now there is another one over here as well, but that one seems to be perfectly fine. So we're just going to take this out, and the socket you're going to need 7/32. What I suggest is just a small socket wrench. Then I would also get something like this, because once you loosen them, this will go right on and you'll be able to twist them off fast and easy. Otherwise your hands are going to get all jacked up from hitting the plastic. Alright, so we're going to get these started. I'm just going to put this in there. Gosh, I can't see anything. Anyway, I'm going to start it with this and then finish it with the screwdriver with the socket end on there. So what I did was I didn't even attach the screwdriver part on here. I just took the extension with the socket and screwed it off. Much easier, much easier to go in there and get to these once they're actually loosened up. It takes just a quick second once you get it on there. So yep, there we go, just breaking this one loose. So I'll get this one out, and then I'll replace the hole there. And now I will go in, pull that out. So here we go, got it right here, and we're going to take out the electrical. So as you can see here, I believe we're going to want to, you can see this holding it right here. I believe we're going to want to pry this up and then just pull it right out. Okay, so I'm just going to put my screwdriver, just so you can see right here in the front, pry it out and get it over that little peg right there. Bam, baby. Alright, so it is out. Very simple. I mean, honestly, it'll take you 10 minutes to put one of these in. Hopefully it's the one behind the glove box. Otherwise, that one, I got a bad back, so that's not going to work out real good. Because you got to literally get under the dash and above the gas pedal. So anyway, now just got to get this fitting here, this little plastic fitting, properly on a, there's a little metal, I don't know if I can get you to see that, on that little, actually not metal, I don't know why, the plastic piece there fits right over that, and then you just got to get the screws lined up and you're good to go. Oh, don't forget to plug it in.